Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. So if you are tired of the sensitive content warning blocking every other post into your feed, so I'm going to be showing you how to enable the sensitive media using your iPhone, your Android, or even you can do this directly into your in this case, of course, what I'm going to be doing here is just to make sure that I'm using the right account. So here it says help us keep your account safe, verify your identity by entering the username associated with your X account. If you don't remember, you can always go back into the Gmail, type your account of X, and make sure that you are into the right application or the right account. Just wait a few seconds here. And now that I'm actually inside here, this element, what we wanted to do is to focus directly into the actual settings, the workaround. Now, if you are into your iPhone, the toggle is not into the application because the application, the App Store has a few rules, and I believe that Android does a little bit something like that. What you wanted to be doing here today is to focus directly into the login into your account at x.com. That's the reason why we're using an actual computer. You can do this into your iPhone, but you need to use an actual browser, not the application, to make this process really fast. Once we are directly inside here, you want to focus into the element that settings. Directly here into settings and the privacy, you want to focus for the action that says privacy and safety. Here, what I need to do is to look out of the element of that says content that you see. Now here, what you wanted to do is to hit into the option that says display the media that might contain sensitive content. I want to enable this element, and this removes the blur from your main timeline. Now Android users, you have this a little bit much more easier because you can do this directly into the application. So focus into the profile, focus into the settings, look how once again for the privacy and the safety, and you may find the content you see directly inside here. Now even if your feed is unblurred, X still hides sensitive posts from your search results by default. So you don't have to worry about that because now that you have the into the contents in C elements already been enabled, let's assume for example that this one says sensitive content. Usually what happens here is that what you can do is just to type into the word that says continue watching the sensitive content, just hit uncheck the hide sensitive content. So when you search for trending topics, you'll see everything without the filters. Now for the policy of this video of the YouTube, we are not able to find an example for you because this video might be let's say sensitive as well. So I just show you the actual process of how we can actually do these elements. So basically guys, this is how we can actually get started with the element of x.com. Just in case you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. Thank you once again for watching the video guys, and hopefully we can all see you well next time.